Okay, so I'm sure you're dying to develop something. So now what we're going to do is set up PHP on our server, which is, as you've probably guessed already, extremely easy. So again, we're going to sudo, we're going to do an apt-get, and we're going to install PHP 5. Simple as that. But we're going to include some other modules as well. So lib apache 5 mod PHP 5, and also PHP 5 mcrypt as well. Crypt, awful typing. There we go. Oops. What have I done wrong? Sorry. Lib apache 5. That's lib apache 2. Okay, so yeah, this is gonna 17.2 megabytes. Blah blah blah. It's going to be used. We wait for this to download, and I babble and talk over the installation process again. This is fairly quick anyway, so it's not too bad. So once this is all done, we are literally ready to start writing code. There we go, it's done. So this has probably been the easiest part. That's it, done. Now all we need to do is head over to our web server and start head over to our Apache working directory, our public directory, and start creating some files. So let's go ahead and do that next. We'll go over, we'll write a little snippet of code and actually see it working in our browser.